Welcome to Around the World in 5 Dishes, a culinary adventure that'll take your taste buds on a journey. We're diving into traditional dishes that have stood the test of time. Forget Michelin stars. Today, we're talking about food passed down through generations, each bite a delicious history lesson. So get your passports ready and prepare for a wild ride as we explore 5 iconic dishes. First stop, Italy, the land of romance and brilliant food. And when it comes to Italian classics, you can't go wrong with pasta carbonara. This dish is a testament to Italian simplicity, just a handful of quality ingredients. We're talking perfectly cooked pasta, silky smooth eggs, crispy pancetta, and pecorino cheese. Making a proper carbonara is an art form. You need to be careful not to scramble the eggs, creating a luscious, creamy sauce. And for God's sake, no cream. That's an insult to every nonna in Italy. Some say it originated in the Apennine Mountains. Others claim it was a post-World War II invention. Whatever the origin, carbonara has captured the hearts of food lovers worldwide. Next, we're jetting off to Japan, the land of culinary artistry. And when it comes to Japanese cuisine, sushi reigns supreme. Sushi is so much more than just raw fish. It's a delicate dance of flavors, textures, and presentation. The history of sushi is fascinating. It started as a way to preserve fish fermented with rice. Over time, the fermentation process was abandoned and people began to enjoy both the fish and the vinegared rice. From simple nigiri to elaborate maki rolls, sushi is a feast for the eyes and stomach. So open your mind and mouth to the wonderful world of sushi. We're heading south to Mexico, a land of vibrant colors and bold flavors. And when it comes to Mexican classics, you can't go wrong with tamales. These steamed bundles of joy are a staple in Mexican cuisine, dating back to the Aztecs. Tamales are made with masa, filled with a variety of savory or sweet fillings. The mixture is then wrapped in corn husks or banana leaves and steamed to perfection. Tamales are more than just food in Mexico. They're a symbol of tradition, family, and celebration. So grab a tamale, peel back the husk, and take a bite of history. Get ready for a flavor explosion as we land in India. And when it comes to Indian food royalty, biryani sits on the throne. This majestic dish is a fragrant tapestry of flavors. Biryani is a labor of love, a dish that takes time and patience to create. It starts with layers of fragrant basmati rice, each grain separate and fluffy. Then comes the protein, marinated in a symphony of spices. The history of biryani is as colorful as the dish itself, with influences from Persia and the Mughal Empire. So grab a spoon and dive into a bowl of biryani. Our final destination takes us to Morocco, a land of enchanting aromas and vibrant colors. And when it comes to Moroccan cuisine, Tagine reigns supreme. This slow-cooked masterpiece is a celebration of Moroccan hospitality. The conical shape of the tagine allows the steam to circulate, ensuring tender meat and perfectly cooked vegetables. Imagine sitting down to a family meal in a traditional Moroccan home. The tagine is the centerpiece, its aroma filling the air with promises of exotic flavors. So grab a piece of crusty bread and scoop up a generous portion of tagine. And there you have it. We've traveled the globe, explored 5 incredible countries, and tasted 5 iconic dishes. From Italian pasta carbonara to Japanese sushi, Mexican tamales, Indian biryani, and Moroccan tagine, each dish has told a story and satisfied our hunger for deliciousness. Remember, food is more than just fuel. It's a way to connect with cultures and create lasting memories. So, get in the kitchen, get cooking, and explore the world, one delicious dish at a time. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit.